Thutha wa igoti ikaru guteaniria macira kenda ma kuregana guthurwo kwa William Ruto ta president muthure, kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka ni yamukirite itua riri na kuuga nirikindirite wuigiririku wa IEBC.
The Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission is finally vindicated.
Akiruta ndumiriri wabici-ini cia kamiti ino Muikariri giti Wafula Chebukati ni oire ihinda riri gutariria kingiriko na minyamariko iria aruti wira a kamiti ino matungirio. O ni hindi ya kuhaririria gutabania na kwanirira maumirira maya.
Because of discharging our constitutional duty, the commission and its staff endured harassment, intimidation, abduction, arrests, and some lost their lives. It's tragic that Mr. Daniel Mushoka, a returning officer for Embakasi East constituency, was abducted and tortured to death in the line of duty.
Chebukati ahithuritie kuhahithio kwa aruti wira a kamiti yake gucungiriria aingi kugumirwo ni mathina ma miri, akiuga wira wa IEBC ndwagirirwo kuhananio na gikuo.
In this general election, the abuse of IEBC staff reached an unimaginable scale. Assault and injury of the chairman, commissioners Professor Abdi Gulier and Boya Molu, and the commission secretary and Chief Executive Officer Mr. Marjan Hussein at the National Tallying Center. Working for IEBC should not be a death sentence.
Hindi ya wonganiria na waniriri wa maumirira ma president nyumba-ini ya micemanio ya Bomas, Chebukati oigite mbere ya maabitha a ugitiri aruti wira a kamiti ino ni makorirwo makinyitwo migwate.
Unwarranted arrest of a voter education coordinator by anti-terrorist police unit on the floor of the National Tallying Center, who was detained for 3 days. Abduction, torturing and holding incommunicado for 9 hours of the managed election operations and the support staff by persons to be believed to be security agencies. In one instance, a presiding officer in Eldas constituency was shot in the leg, resulting to amputation.
Chebukati oigite ona makamishina ni makorirwo magitharikirwo na kugurario riu akiorota maabitha a ugitiri ni kwa gukinyukia ikinya o riothe.
To date, no one has been arrested for these crimes committed against members of the commission and its staff. As it stands, no human rights or civil society organization have condemned these heinous acts meted on the commission and its staff.
No thutha wa maya mothe, Chebukati oigite kamiti yake ni yarutire wira kuringana na gatiba undu uria ukindirirwo ni igoti ikaru.
The Supreme Court judgment today is a testimony that the commission conducted a free, fair, transparent and credible general election that met the democratic aspirations of the people of Kenya.
Ciĩgie njatũkano gatagati ka makamishina Chebukati uria kumitwo thutha ni makamishina eri aria ni Boya Bolu, Abdi Gulier na abitha munene Marjan Hussein. Oigite makamishina Juliana Cherera, Justus Nyang'aya, Francis Waderi na Irene Masit aria meyamurite mena wiyathi wa gucokereria wabici-ini.
The commission will follow the law and it's up to them and their conscience what they want to do going forward, but as a commission we follow the law and we have not chased away anyone.
Gerifotera Kameme TV, Jeta Getau wa Wajiko.